Damn it! We just have the biggest problems with the mosquito infestation in this condo. I have bites everywhere. I have here one on my thumb that I just got. Now the bites on my ankles are so bad that I started scratching myself already. And this little cat is supposed to hunt all kinds of insects and kill them, and she is not. That is your job. That is your one job in here, being cute and killing insects. And this has been ongoing for a few weeks now. The infestation started about 3 weeks ago, and it just seems to be getting worse and worse and worse. And before you say like, oh, Mike just gets the mosquito traps at True Value. Well, I have gotten them, and they did not help whatsoever. Things have been plugged in 4 days in the living room, in the bedroom, pretty much everywhere I could find mosquitoes, and they helped absolutely zero. And then today I actually read the warning instructions on the back, and this is just like pure poison. It's so bad. So I really don't want any of that in my condo whatsoever. I don't want to be poisoned. I don't want my cat to be poisoned. I need to find a different solution, and that is the mission for today. I'm sure at least 20 of you guys know exactly what to do. Let's post that. Now, the thing that freaks me out so much is, like, in Austria we do have mosquitoes, but first of all, they are not aggressive. Not nearly as aggressive as they are here in the Philippines, and also they are large, so you can spot them on the ceiling and swat them and they're gone. But here in the Philippines, they're like microscopically small. You can't even, it's so hard to spot them. I'm just in Peanut's room trying to find one because they were flying around my head earlier when I was on the toilet. While vlogging, another one got me. This is so bad. And isn't there like some danger of contracting dengue fever here in the Philippines with these mosquitoes? Isn't it like a dangerous thing? Mm-hmm. Use an indoor insect fogger or indoor insect spray to kill mosquitoes and treat areas where they rest. Where do they rest? I have no idea where they rest. These products work immediately and may need to be reapplied when using insecticides. Always follow label directions. This again sounds a lot like poison. I was hoping that there's like some kind of a trap or some kind of a zapper that'll kill them humanely and fast. Yeah, I feel like these are the things that we need. These are the things that are going to destroy them. Okay, we are starting to get some answers. So there seem to be 3 possible solutions. The one solution is to get a mosquito zapper. And supposedly there's a new kind of modern racket type 2-in-1 thing that I will try and order off Marketplace. Second recommendation is to plant rosemary and citronella plants. That should keep them away. And the third one is the Bygone spray and the Bygone, I don't know what that device is called that I had plugged in all the time. So I think I'm gonna go for a 3-fold measures, 3 strategies to kill the mosquitoes and get them out. Number 1, immediate reaction to get the rackets that'll zap them out of life. Oh, yes, yes. Second of all, get some rosemary and citronella plants. And third of all, use the spray to get rid of them. And if that doesn't do the job, then I just have to move, I guess. Okay, we've come into BGC to see if we can find any solution for the terrible mosquito problem, maybe at Landmark, because we've actually been to True Value already, and that's where we got those little heaty thingies that they just don't work. I think the mosquitoes are laughing at us at this point. Nice to see people are a little bit better behaved here at the pedestrian crossway in BGC. I wonder why. Okay, we're here at Landmark. Multi-insect killer. I don't know, these things kind of would need me to figure out where they live. Where do these mosquitoes live in our house? To be able to set up, like to spray stuff, because just spraying it at random places is not going to work out. And here we have like this liquid repellent kind of thing. I don't know if this is the same kind of thing like the tablet stuff that we had. I just don't know. What else do we have? Ooh, here's something Japanese style. This looks Japanese, right? Usually the Japanese have, that's fly paper. Well, these things here theoretically would be good. I know these work from camping, but I can't put this up in my condo. It's gonna set off the fire alarm. It's so tough to find something that's gonna be safe for Peanuts, but unsafe for the mosquitoes. I got bitten another 10 times just since getting home. This needs to end. This ends now. Yes, amazing. We have a mosquito problem. I will end the mosquitoes today. It's time to end this battle. You mosquitoes have messed with the wrong foreign blogger. Where are they? Where are these mosquitoes? Wait, are they hiding now? Did they know this was coming? Oh, I think Peanut's room. Come on, Peanut, let's get them. Okay, so usually they get me when I'm sitting on the toilet. Where are they? Peanut, where are they? Come on. Where are you? Don't be shy now. I got a present for you. It's funny how like Peanut knows that we're doing something and she's like trying to be part of what we're doing. She's like, yes, okay, let's do whatever it is you're doing. I mean, we've got bitten just like, oh, did you get it?
It's a spring onion.
Don't zap the spring onions, baby. But like literally, I got a bite on my neck.
I have one here.
Yeah, so where are they? This is frustrating. You see one?
You see, there.
Yes! Oh! My. How the tables have turned, bloodsuckers. This thing is like, this is legit. That was like 10 mosquitoes. Yeah, you see, he wanted to get me, but he got gotten. He wanted to get me, but he got gotten. Well, if ever you want to find mosquitoes, just be around my uncle. Will regret ever coming into this condo. You will be regretful. Did it do it? It's like, stop killing the animals. Okay, I think this is a huge success with this thing. Well, I mean, we got like, how many? Like 10, 15 in that one go when you went up there? It was like fireworks. Yes! Well, what I like about this is we have like a little like stand for it. And the blue light should attract those little bastarditos. That works. This here works at killing Peanut. That works at killing the mosquito. Don't touch it, Peanut, baby. No, don't touch it. You're gonna get a little shock if you touch it. All right, thank you for everybody that sent recommendations for this device. That's legit. That really works.
I still think we need to get either citronella plant.
Yes,
or,
I think we need to put
insect repelling.
Yeah, we need to put insect repelling plants out there to keep them away, to deter them from even coming in. And then maybe we should put on like a picture of the mosquitoes that got caught in that. So when they fly to the door, they're like,
oh, that's where my cousin Matthew got gotten.
And they'll fly away.
Have you shown them my propagation?
Your propagation? No, not yet. Oh, hang on. We have an intruder. This is what happens to people that come here. Yeah, run away. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Got it on Facebook Marketplace, not sponsored. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.